Okay. A big coconut. Okay. Whew, that was really one interesting street. I've never really quite seen anything quite like it. Hello. Very Hindu-centric here, but they still love Christmas. Anytime you're in Chennai and you need some rose petals to make rose water or some other type of fragrance for your biryani or temple offerings, this is the place to go. We've also got a mix of really great herbs here, and I love this real life stuff, I really do. I'm not sure what the flowers are, I'm not too up on my flowers. But you know, while I'm on the subject, just talking on camera, I'd like to say that as opposed to Delhi and a few other places, they don't really bother you here, they don't hassle you here. I'll put you on YouTube. I just want everybody to come to this lady to buy the bags. YouTube, yeah? Okay, and we're right here. So you can find this lady if you want the bags. Okay, you've got some jaman gulab jaman. And it's getting nice and hectic here. Wow, look at the dreadlock on that lady there. Wow. And this is where you get all your flowers. And it's nice and noisy and hectic. Dreadlock Rasta. Very nice. Very good.
From where? From where?
UK, sir.
UK.
Wow, what a colourful, busy, aromatic place. Absolutely unbelievable. I just hope well, it's a funny thing for me to say because I'm from a modern country, but let's just hope modernisation doesn't change the world so everything's in a plastic, manufactured, 2-for-1 saturated market of globalization. These are real. This is real. Wow. Hello. It's really quite something. sights. I'm not sure if they're having an end of day sale. There seems a lot of interest here and a lot of hustle and bustle. Hello. I've never seen a street quite like this. Hello, how are you?
Fine, thank
Good,
you.
good. So flowers must be very important here. That's all I can say. Hello. Thank you.